Hey guys, Nadog here, and welcome back to Greenville. Now today's video, we're going to check out the Hincapie path of the Swamp Rabbit Trail. And this particular part of the trail, they recently resurfaced it, and they did some streambank restoration. I've never walked this entire part of the this particular path, worked only half of it, so let's check it out. Here's the part where they restored the stream bank. Alright guys, that's all time I have for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.